step back in time for a Deep River Grinders baseball game in 1858. When you hear the umpire yell, "Striker to the mark," you'll know the match has begun. Goofy nicknames and gentlemanly behavior rule the day. The bats and the balls look the same, but the game looks different. Where are the mitts, and what kind of uniforms are these? And who's that man in the goofy hat? No Grinder game is complete without an ice-cold sarsaparilla and a fresh-baked cookie. Relax, enjoy the match. At the end of the game, watch the kids take a turn at the bat and run the bases, full of excitement and fun.
You gotta have patience.
As you walk away, you realize for the past couple of hours, you didn't think about your to-do list. You just relaxed and enjoyed the game. We encourage you to come out on a Sunday afternoon and join us in a Deep River Grinders vintage baseball game as they take on one of many teams from across the Midwest.